How to make a profile private in the Threads app. People want to keep their Threads account private in order to manage who sees their content and to protect their privacy. This helps to keep people who don't want to read your content from seeing it. Now let's look at how to make a profile private in Threads. Open the Threads app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the globe icon at the top left corner. Next, toggle on Private Profile. Just click on OK button. Now onward, only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Click on Follower as shown here. User under Following section can only see your private profile. Click on the Remove button if you do not want that user to view your profile. Please keep one thing in mind. After you have made the account private, then you will get a lock at the top instead of a globe. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.